It is very hot today. The sun is making everything hot. A heat wave means very hot weather. Heat wave. A heat wave means very hot weather. We need to drink lots of water. The fan helps us stay cool. It is important to stay indoors. We should wear light clothes. The heat can make us feel tired. We should rest in the shade. It is important to stay cool. The relentless sun scorched the earth, creating an oppressive sweltering heat wave. Relentless. Relentless. Unrelenting. Unrelenting. Scorch. Scorch. Burn. Burn. Sear. Sear. Singe. Singe. Wither. Wither. Oppressive. Oppressive. Swelter. Swelter. Sweltering heat. Heat wave. The relentless sun scorched the earth, creating an oppressive sweltering heat wave. The asphalt radiated heat, making it unbearable to walk barefoot. Asphalt. Asphalt. Radiate. Radiate. Emit. Emit. Give off. Give out. Send out. Unbearable. Unbearable. Intolerable. Intolerable. Bearable. Bearable. Barefoot. Barefoot. The asphalt radiated heat, making it unbearable to walk barefoot. The fan's blades spun rapidly, attempting to alleviate the intense heat. Blade. Blade. Razor blade. Alleviate. Alleviate. Mitigate. Mitigate. Ease. Ease. Intense heat. The fan's blades spun rapidly, attempting to alleviate the intense heat. People sought refuge indoors to escape the blazing sun. Refuge. Refuge. Indoors. Indoors. Outdoors. Outdoors. Blaze. Blaze. Be ablaze. Be alight. Be in flames. People sought refuge indoors to escape the blazing sun. The sweltering wave caused power outages due to high electricity demand. Power outage. Power cut. Blackout. Blackout. Power failure. Outage. Outage. The sweltering wave caused power outages due to high electricity demand. Hydration stations were set up to prevent heat stroke among the populace. Hydration. Hydration. Heat stroke. Heat stroke. Sunstroke. Sunstroke. Populace. Populace. Population. Population. Hydration stations were set up to prevent heat stroke among the populace. Air conditioning units struggled to cool down the scorching interiors. The city streets shimmered with heat waves, distorting the view. Shimmer. Shimmer. Heat shimmer. Distort. Distort. Falsify. Falsify. The city streets shimmered with heat waves, distorting the view. Prolonged exposure to such heat can be detrimental to one's health. Prolong. Prolong. Lengthen. Lengthen. Extend. Extend. Protract. Protract. Detrimental. Detrimental. Detriment. Detriment. Harm. Harm. Damage. Damage. Prolonged exposure to such heat can be detrimental to one's health. People donned lightweight, breathable clothing to cope with the extreme temperatures. Don. Don. Put on. Get dressed in. Lightweight. Lightweight. Breathable. Breathable. Cope with. Deal with. Extreme. Extreme. Radical. Radical. Immoderate. Immoderate. People donned lightweight, breathable clothing to cope with the extreme temperatures. Outdoor activities were postponed due to the hazardous heat conditions. Even the nights provided little respite from the sweltering temperatures. Respite. Respite. Rest. Rest. Break. Break. Breathing space. Even the nights provided little respite from the sweltering temperatures. The air felt thick and stifling, making it difficult to breathe comfortably. Stifling. Stifling. Stifling heat. Stifle. Stifle. The air felt thick and stifling, making it difficult to breathe comfortably. The relentless heatwave exacerbated the ongoing drought conditions. Exacerbate. Exacerbate. Aggravate. Aggravate. Make worse. Worsen. Worsen. Deteriorate. Deteriorate. Drought. Drought. Droughty. Droughty. The relentless heatwave exacerbated the ongoing drought conditions. Residents were advised to stay hydrated and avoid direct sunlight. Be advised to. Direct sunlight. Residents were advised to stay hydrated and avoid direct sunlight. The sweltering heat wave stretched emergency services to their limits. Public cooling centers were opened to provide relief for vulnerable populations. Vulnerable population. Vulnerable. Vulnerable. Public cooling centers were opened to provide relief for vulnerable populations. The extreme heat caused a significant increase in heat-related illnesses. The fan offered a brief respite, circulating the warm air around the room. Despite their best efforts, many struggled to find comfort during the sweltering wave. Relentless, unrelenting, scorch, burn, sear, singe, wither, oppressive, swelter, sweltering heat, heat wave, asphalt, radiate, emit, give off, give out, send out, unbearable, intolerable, bearable, barefoot, blade, razor blade, alleviate, mitigate, ease, intense heat, refuge, indoors, outdoors, blaze, be ablaze, be alight, be in flames, power outage, power cut, blackout, power failure, outage, hydration, heat stroke, sunstroke, populace, population, shimmer, heat shimmer, distort, falsify, prolong, lengthen, extend, protract, detrimental, detriment, harm, damage, don, put on, get dressed in, lightweight, breathable, cope with, deal with, extreme, radical, immoderate, respite, rest, break, breathing space, stifling, stifling heat, stifle, exacerbate, aggravate, make worse, worsen, deteriorate, drought, droughty, be advised to, direct sunlight, vulnerable population, vulnerable,